what's your first impressions?
Quality, quality, quality. And I think that was the key issue for Chrysler. I certainly believed in the vision and the possibility of new products with the alliance with Fiat. But how do we get from where we were today, or then, a little over a year ago when Sergio arrived, to the new products? And quite frankly, the existing product from Chrysler Corporation just wasn't going to get it done. And when I say quality, I'm talking about quality of design, engines, transmission, fit, finish, interiors. And what I see here today is a tremendous investment and commitment, finally, from Chrysler Corporation to comprehensive quality.
Sure. So as the head of the biggest group in the country, how much confidence does that give you to be selling these things in your showrooms?
It gives me a lot of confidence, because originally my confidence was based on my assessment of one man, Sergio Marchionne. A talented, remarkable executive, driven, never failed at anything, but he had taken on a monumental task. And the question in my mind was, would he be able to execute on his ambitions for Chrysler? And what you see today is a remarkable stride forward in a mere 16 months. And no cutting corners, no taking the quick and easy route. And if there's one product that epitomizes the old Chrysler, it would have been the Sebring. You know, the old Sebring was nothing about cost cutting, and you ended up with something that on the first day it arrived in the marketplace was uncompetitive. And to see them address all those issues, ride, handling, engine, transmission, design, to get back in the game, to give a bridge, to get to totally new projects, was absolutely the right decision. And that gives me confidence about the future of Chrysler.
Sure. Which products in particular struck you the most?
Well, of course, once you move beyond the total comprehensive commitment to quality, then you have to look at the all-new products that are here, such as the 300 and the Durango. So the 300 was a pretty spectacular car right out of the box when it's first launched. And I sort of looked at it and say, where do you go from there? And they've done a tremendous job of making that a real premium sedan. Class, sophistication, elegance, inside and out, and really a flagship for the Chrysler brand. And if I look at the new Durango, to still say SUV in design and packaging, but have it on a crossover type platform, is exactly what the marketplace wants. So I really admire the execution of the Durango in a new package. Rather than body on frame, do it as a crossover, but keep all the expectations of a Durango in the design.
How do you suppose your customers are going to react to this influx of new products?
Well, we're going to need some communication to customers by everyone that there's a new Chrysler Corporation in the game, because it's been some time since we've really had a story to tell, and customers have so many choices. They're not waiting around to find out. So on a marketing communication side, there's going to have to be quite a effort to excite customers about Chrysler Corporation again. And if that's done, and it gets them in our showrooms with these products, we'll put them in a Chrysler product.
Sure, and that follows is, you know, the SAR's been many years since the 17 million mark, trying to bring it back. How do you see infusion of new products, these products in particular, being a boost to AutoNation's business?
Industry sales are absolutely at depression levels, but at least they're better than last year. And so I view the recovery as a three-stage rocket. First, we need a healing of credit that's underway, and that's put us in a position to take care of so many more of our customers. But then you really need recovery in housing and employment, and that's going to take longer. But there's no question in my mind the industry is going to get back to 16 million units once again, but with a completely different business model. production push, which I hated, is finally dead. The dragon's been slain. The industry is much more about rationability, profitability, sustainability. And in that environment, a company like ours, AutoNation, will thrive.